Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to share with you guys my Halloween decoration house tour. I'm calling this a haunted house tour because that's basically what it is. I've created kind of this elaborate layout of decorations because one, I'm a Halloween enthusiast. I've kind of created kind of my childhood Halloween fantasy with these decorations, but also I'm having a Halloween party. This is probably the creepiest Halloween decorations you guys will see on YouTube, probably in the history of YouTube. So I am giving you guys a disclaimer right now. If you are watching this video with small children, if you are faint at heart, if you really don't like really creepy, scary Halloween decorations, this is not the video for you. So I just want to warn you guys now so no one is caught off guard. All right, so if you guys want to see super creepy Halloween decorations, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so here we are in my foyer. We're gonna start the tour right here. It's gotta jump out at you because it's the first thing you see when you come in. So we've done some light decorating on the staircase. We have our life-size skeleton creature here. I actually got this thing from Walmart for $25. So if you guys are looking for life-size posable skeletons, definitely check Walmart. At the top of the staircase up here, I have like this miniature kind of ghoul hanging. I got my lanterns. You guys will see lanterns all throughout the theme here because lanterns are so creepy and cool if you need them to be. And I have my hanging ghoul here. You guys, I have my creepy girl who's sitting on top of a tombstone. And she's really cool because you actually plug her in and she speaks. She says really creepy things. I'll show you guys later what she says. But it's really cool because her eyes light up and all that. So I thought this was perfect to put by the front entrance because it's motion activated. So as people are coming in, she'll be like freaking them out. So that's gonna be really fun. And I have another bone character right here sitting on the bench. I wanted this ghoul to hang because I wanted it to kind of cover up some of the more like welcoming, pleasant kind of decor. And you guys will notice that throughout the theme. But I wanted to cover up some of that homey stuff. So you're really convinced that you're in a haunted house. You don't want to see a bunch of like bright, lively things. Also, a lot of the decorations that you guys see we had from last year, we had it outside, so we decided to bring it inside. We did not decorate outside at all. So everything was brought in for the party. And then this girl, this creepy swinging girl, you guys, I am so excited about this piece. Most of the ghouls that you see, the girl on the tombstone, the hanging ghouls, I got from Party City, but this particular figure I got from Spirit Halloween. And she actually comes with a swinging mechanism to help her swing, but I opted out of that because I'm like, that's a little too much. That is not necessary. So we decided to just hang her from the top of the staircase. So she's hanging onto those banisters up there, and she looks mad creepy, and I love this. Right here in the walkway, it's gonna creep people out. It's gonna be so awesome. I just love that she's kind of like life size, so that makes it even more believable and creep people out because of the fact that she looks like she can literally just hop off this thing and be a real life person. So it makes it even scarier. All right, let's go into the dining room. So this is probably my favorite part of the house as it relates to really any type of seasonal decor. You'll notice that I removed all of the chairs out of here because it was just not necessary and it was kind of throwing off my vibe a little bit, but also when we do the party, I really don't want the chairs here. I want people to be able to come in here and get the food because this is where all the food and drinks are gonna be. So I put the chairs in the garage, they're fine. I left one out and I covered it with a bed sheet, you guys. So I covered this chair so that it could look a little bit more dark and gloomy. And I put one of our life-size skeleton figures on it and it looks so creepy and it's kind of like inviting you to come over into the dining room and get something to eat. All I did also, you guys, was on the back of this chair, I added some of the creepy cloth. And you'll notice that I have a lot of creepy cloth all throughout the house, and I love this stuff because it really makes things look creepy. You can also use this for like Pirates of the Caribbean type of scenes, or just anything where you're trying to convince people that the scene is old, something's aged. So this creepy cloth is awesome. Just to keep in mind to check the dimensions on it before you buy it because sometimes you'll open the package and it'll be a lot smaller or a lot less cloth than you thought. So anywho, let's come over to the table, you guys. I had it set like this for now, but it's gonna change for the party. So I just added a creepy lantern here, which is really cool once it's lit up. I have this candelabra that I got from Hobby Lobby, and we added black candles to everything. I swapped out all of my white candles for black because black is so much creepier. I got the candles from Amazon. This is one of my older thrift store finds. I usually use these gold candle holders for Christmas, but I decided to bring them in for this spread, and it worked so well, as you guys can see, because it gives you kind of like that elegant old castle gargoyle 18th century type of decor, especially for something creepy like this. So I think it worked out great. A lot of this stuff, the bones, and this stack of skull heads that actually lights up, I got all that stuff from Walmart. Even these little hanging skeletons here I got from Walmart. These glasses are really cool and creepy as well, and I'm actually gonna be using these for the party. They're not just for decoration. I think I got these from Home Goods. I actually got these from my Aunt Felicia. Glass bases, I guess you could call them. This is more for like, you know, seasonal decor. You could use it for anything, and I decided in this case to stick some limbs in it. So I had these around the house as well. I think it was super cool to put the hand down in there because that way it's not just laying flat, it's standing up straight, and it also looks kind of scary because it's in a glass jar, so it makes it seem like it's like in a lab or something like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. I also added lots of spider webs. You gotta have spider webs for your creepy haunted house scene. So I put spider webs all over this chandelier. You guys, I hate dealing with these spider webs. They're a must have, but I can't stand putting them up because it's like so difficult. And it's also kind of rough taking them down, but I had to have them, so I put them all over this chandelier, and I think it really adds a nice touch to the table. Now come on back here, I want to show you guys what I did with the buffet table. Now before we get started on the buffet table, I want to show you guys that I do have these strobe lights all over the floors. You probably noticed it in the foyer next to my little girl sitting there. These are going to look really cool once it gets dark and the lights are down and you kind of see this kind of creepy flickering light. So I'm going to show you guys that in the end, so keep watching because in the end I'm going to show you guys what all this looks like at night, and it's going to be optimal at night, trust me. But here is my buffet top. I kind of have to set up for the party a little bit, you guys, because I got my little plastic dollar store creepy glasses out already, and then some of the shot glasses that I got. I did get this creepy tree from Walmart. It's so nice when it's lit up. I'll show it to you guys at night. I got another one of my limbs over here. On the back here, I got some spider webs and some creepy cloth hanging. Now you guys know that this was an area of family photos, and they were black and white, but I wanted to kind of take the attention away from the family photos a bit because that's really not creepy enough. So I found these photo decals at Party City, you guys. I pretty much just have those covering some of the family photos there, and then the other ones you can't see because they're covered by spider webs and creepy cloth. And in the middle here, I'm just using one of these styrofoam tombstones. This one has a gargoyle at the top, which I think is super cool. So I have that one kind of in the middle, covering that photo in the middle. Now over here, I want to show you guys these props that I got off Amazon. They're like fake poison containers. These are so realistic looking, you guys. It's real glass. I love the labels and the little cork at the top. And these also come with screw-on lids, so you could use these for actually holding like real liquid that you plan on drinking. We are not for my party, but they're really cool to have. So I'll put the links to everything I can find in the description box, you guys. I'm definitely gonna be using my stainless steel ice bucket, and I already have it set up for the party. So I ordered these blood bags off Amazon that you can fill up with any type of red drink. And it's got the nice straw right there. These actually come with straw closures, and like I said, I got them off of Amazon, and I'll put the link below for you guys. But we're definitely gonna have these, and I plan on having them like sitting on top of the ice for the party. It's gonna be so cool. Okay, now let's move over into the formal living room. All right, so this is the formal living room, you guys. At first I wasn't even gonna decorate in here, but I decided let's go ahead and do it. So I started off with some spider webs on the chandelier, as you can see. This door leads into the family room, and I didn't want to use it for this occasion. I didn't want anyone opening this door because I have some decorations on the other side that I don't want moved. So I decided to do something creative and trick people into thinking that this is all part of the vibe. So I found these wood planks that kind of gives it that boarded look. And you guys, they sell these at Walmart and they're really affordable. It comes with its own adhesive, so I just kind of have those attached on there. And I also found this like caution tape at Spirit Halloween store, and these fake chains on the doorknobs I got from, it was like a pack in Walmart. So I just laid those on there so that it could really have that look of really trying to keep people out, as though something creepy is happening on the other side. Over here, I just decorated with some more creepy cloth and spider webs. I found this beware, blood dripping effect at Walmart, so I put that up on the mirror. You'll notice I have the spider webs and creepy cloth kind of attached to the wall. I'm using my 3M hooks to do this, you guys. I didn't use nails or tape. And I found these pillowcases on Amazon. I bought these like early in September. Can't go wrong with 80s horror. I love that this one has like all the best of the 80s. You got your Jason, your Freddy, your Michael Myers, you got your Leatherface. So I thought this was really, really cool. And then, Charles Lee Ray, my boy. I grew up on this 80s horror stuff, so Gotta love it. So that's the sitting area there. Now let's talk about this coffee table in the center here. These limbs are really cool because they are black limbs, okay? I'm really excited about these because they look so realistic. These bottles that I created, you guys, I made these myself. It was super easy. All I did was soak off the labels on these, and then I spray painted all of them to be black because I didn't want them to look like wine bottles, even though that's what they are. So painting them black just kind of made them look a little bit more arbitrary. Then I added the creepy cloth and some twine that I had laying around. And for this one, I'm actually going to make it look like something is spilling out of it. So I do have this glow-in-the-dark slime that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use it until the day of the party because I don't want Anne to mess with it and I don't want any accidents. But I'm going to have it looking like it's pouring out of this bottle. And then I have this hand here just kind of on the bottle as though someone just chopped it off. So I got my meat cleaver right here. So I'm just going to create kind of a creepy, scary, kind of deadly scene over here. I'm going to have my lanterns lit. It's going to be so cool. Now let me show you guys the family room. Follow me. So here in the center coffee table, I just added a tablecloth that I got from, I think, Party City. I don't even remember. Then I have a Ouija board. You know, I could not have a Halloween party without having a Ouija board. We probably won't play with it. It's just here for decoration. And then I added some more black candles, another limb, and I brought in some more of the gold candle holders. And then you guys, I found this book on Amazon. This is so much fun. This is Handbook for the Recently Deceased. You guys may recognize this from the 1980s Beetlejuice movie. And actually one of my friends is supposed to be coming to the party as Beetlejuice, so she's gonna really love seeing this. And then I haven't done much to the bar. I will do more for our party. I need to stock up my wine, as you can see. This is the cool thing I wanted to show you guys. I found this Welcome to Camp Crystal Lake frame at the Spirit Halloween store, and I have a fun idea for this, but you have to watch my Halloween vlog to see more 80s paraphernalia. I got this Elm Street sign. I wanted to serve the drinks out of some cool containers, so I found these glass jars on Amazon with the cork. I added some twine and these stickers. Basically the stickers I ordered from Amazon in a separate purchase, but they are made to look like a little witch's potion or something. So I'm going to make these drinks different colors, like green, red, purple, to make them look like different potions. Over here by the fireplace, my favorite part, I wanted to incorporate the fireplace without having to turn it on because I don't want it to be too hot in here. Plus I wanted to decorate inside. You can't have the fire going for that. So I went ahead and found some red string lights on Amazon, and I popped those in there so they could look like fire and be creepy. Then I have this guy. This is a little ghoul, right? Looks like a zombie, and the mouth is actually capable of blowing out fog. It connects to a fog machine, but we probably won't do that for the party. I haven't decided yet. And then I got these two pieces here that look like the opening of a fence or a gate. So I just have those propped up there with some spider webs. And then I got some more tombstones up here and strobe lights. One of my favorite aspects of this decorating in this room are these little bats that I got off Amazon. You guys, I really love these. They look like bat silhouettes, and I love the idea of having them positioned to where it looks like they're escaping from the fireplace. I think that's really cool. So I have them going up the wall, kind of some of them on the bookshelf unit here, and then they're up on the ceiling, kind of dispersing out like they're flying out of the fireplace. I think that's just the coolest thing. This bull hanging on the door, it's kind of tucked into the door jamb. That's why I didn't want this door to open from the other side, but I think that's a really cool addition as well. All right, watch when I turn the light off, this is what happens. Love it. you guys did enjoy it. I cannot wait to share with you guys my Halloween party that's coming up Halloween night. If you guys know someone who may enjoy this content, definitely share this video with them. And I hope you guys have a safe and happy Halloween, and I will talk to you in my next one. Mwah! Bye!